Exponents and radicals. If a is any non-negative real number, then its square root is the non-negative number whose square is a. We can denote the nth root of a as a to the power of 1 over n. For example, the root of 16 is 16 to the power of a half, or 4, since 4 times 4 is 16. The root of 9 is 3, again, because 3 times 3 is equal to 9. 25 is 5, since 5 times 5 is equal to 25. Can't take the root of a negative number, because there's no two numbers that multiply together to get negative 16. If we look at the third root of 27, 3, since 3 times 3 times 3 is equal to 27. Now with an odd root, we can apply that to a negative number. So the third root of negative 1 is negative 1, since if you multiply negative 1 by itself 3 times, you get negative 1. Similarly, the third root of negative 8 is negative 2, because negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 is negative 8. Third root of 625 is 5, etc. There's some rules that we should know when we're dealing with radicals. The nth root of a product, AB, is equal to the nth root of A times the nth root of B. The nth root of a quotient, A over B, is the nth root of A divided by the nth root of B. Be careful though, these rules don't apply well to sums or differences. For example, the root of 2 plus 2 is not equal to the root of 2 plus the root of 2. Okay? Some important exponent rules. A to the p times a to the q is equal to a to the p plus q. A to the p divided by a to the q is a to the p minus q. 1 over a to the q is a to the negative q. A to the p to the power of q is a to the pq. Ab to the power of p is equal to a to the p, b to the p. The nth root of ab is the nth root of a times the nth root of b. A over b to the power of p is a to the p over b to the p. And finally, the nth root of a quotient, a over b, is the nth root of a divided by the nth root of b. I want to simplify something like root 12. Root 12 is equal to the root of 4 times 3, which is the root of 4 times the root of 3. And we know that square root 4 is 2. So root 12 simplifies to 2 root 3. Example, the root of 2 over 45. Well, 45 is going to be 5 times 9. So we have root 2 over root of 9 times 5. 2 over root 9, root 5. And root 9 is, of course, 3. So we get root 2 over 3 root 5. If we're working with variables, we could look at the root of x squared over negative y squared. It's the root of x squared divided by the root of negative y squared. That's equal to x over the root of y squared, which is x over y.